Welcome back. You can see presentation slides of Zubair Khan. Zubair Khan, you are welcome in the class and you may start your presentation right now. Can you listen me, Zubair Khan?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वासलाम जी, प्लीज स्टार्ट करें.
जी ठीक है, sir. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful, today in which article language and identity in linguistic anthropology, in which my topic is linguistic ethnography versus the linguistic anthropology. To that, first of all, here a question arises: what is linguistic ethnography? Basically, it is a branch of LA, and linguistic ethnography is a relatively new term that originated in the United Kingdom in UK. It is an approach, and you can also say philosophy rather than a method, so that it is a postmodern in that is called for the researcher to be reflective. In which anthropology, according to Rampton, language and social world are mutually shaping because we need to study language and talk in direction to understand the context. And when we study the context to understand the language, there are two things: language to understand the context, and the context to understand the language. The next slide is so that when we talk about today, linguistic ethnography has been described as an umbrella term. In next slide, second of all, linguistic anthropology that you can say LA. This is a major term in which that presentation. So basically, and what is anthrography? Anthrography is a scientific study of a human behavior and societies in past and present. It is the study of various elements of human, including biology and culture, in order to understand human origin and the evaluation of various belief and social customs. So that here are linguistic anthropology, not a just anthropology. Linguistic anthropology is a branch of anthropology that studies the role of language in social lives of individual and community. You can say we study the individual person in which community, so that linguistic anthropology explores how language shape communication. That you can say language shape a communication. What is the relationship between language and culture, individual, and what is the relationship language and society? So that language play a huge role in social identity, group membership, and establishing culture, belief, ideology in the base of a language. So that it is a linguistic anthropology. So next slide. Linguistic anthropology closely studies those societies where language define a culture or society. For example, in New Guinea, there is a tribe of indigenous people who speak one language. It is what makes that people unique. It is its index language. The tribe may speak other language from New Guinea, but this unique language gives the tribe its cultural identity. In which anthropography, language give identity, language gives our norms, beliefs, uh, made customs in that society. So next is practical development of Ali. So Ali has drawn heavily on recent theoretical development in LA because Ali is a branch of LA, and that have articulated the relations between context and text, and provided technical vocabulary for describing how language use construct context in meaning making across space and time. So here are some examples of theoretical vocabulary include first of all, indexicality. Second of all, recontextualization. And next is intextualization. Next is multimodality, genre, register, multiply scale. For example, what is indexicality? So that in semantic, it is a phenomenon of a sign pointing to some object. And recontextualization, it is a change of a meaning and redefinition of someone. And next is intextualization. It is a process by which inseparable that one produced by discourse from its original context. So that next is the multimodality, in which multimodality having involving several modes, they are also influenced by the culture of origin and destination. And next is genre. Genre is a style of category of art, music, or something. And next theme is the register. Register is a particular variety or style of speaking or writing something, someone in society or struck. And next is multiply scale. Multiply scale is the multiply definition according to our perspective. So these are the example of technical vocabulary in LEA. So next is future of linguistic ethnography. It is not yet clear what the future of LE is. In some ways, it already has a long and established history through its connection to LA and other socio and applied linguistic tradition. Because LE is a process of negotiating itself into being, and its career length and trajectory is not known. And next is just distinctiveness of LE and with respect of LA. There have been explicit attempts to define the distinctiveness. First one is compared to LA. LE's uniqueness relies mainly on its different relationship with anthropology. LE researchers have always taken language as an entry point to the study of the interrelation between culture, language, and social difference. Because LE is basically related to language, language related to culture, and these are overall circle of the LEA. And they emphasize on close analysis of text and recording of interaction. On the other hand, this has also been the case in recent work done in LA. So next, here is the extension of LE. What is the extension of LE? Most importantly, LE has devoted great deal of attention to further extending communication with known university professionals in what Rampton, Maven, and Robert demonized commitment to the practical intervention in real-world process. And let's say orienting, enabling educators and health professionals to become LE researcher. So next one, last one. On the other hand, this line of action has paved a way to fruitful and meaningful programs where profession have a chance to problematize pervasive ideological framework that dominate major public policy. So these are my presentation. So end the presentation. If you have any question regarding to my presentation topic, have any question?
Well done, Zubair Khan. That's very good presentation. Class, you are required to comment, say any question, or whatever you want to ask, say, share. You are allowed now. In the meantime, Aisha, please let me know who is the next one. Aisha.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम सर।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम सर।
जी नेक्स्ट कौन है, मुझे पहले वो बताए ना।
सोबिया
सर जुबैर खान के पास सोबिया है, सोबिया अकरम।
इट्स ओके, मैं सोबिया की प्रेजेंटेशन डाउनलोड करके शेयर करता हूँ। मीन टाइम आप लोग कमेंट करें जुबैर खान पे। जी
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
सर कैसे हैं आप?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
Sir, I want to comment on the presenters like who have presented earlier, like
जी जी
Hanif, Sir Hanif, and Sir Zubair, and
सदफ
that other one, and I think
Sadaf.
Sadaf Ahmed. They have presented very well, and they have explained each and every aspect of the points which are mentioned in the article.
गुड गुड दैट्स वेरी गुड। दैट वाज आवर कोर रिक्वायरमेंट। लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम मैं वो कहूँगा, एक होता है मुकाबला साइश बाहमी, हम तुम्हारी तारीफ करते हैं तुम हमारी करना।
जी सर, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है एक्चुअली।
ये भी सर ये भी जरूरी है ऑब्वियसली।
एक्चुअली प्रेजेंटेशन तो वॉलंटरली थी, लेकिन फिर भी हमने काफी रिसर्च किया है इस पे। ये
नहीं वो
आप ये ना समझें कि ये हमने वैसे मटेरियल उठा के सर ऐसे प्रेजेंट कर दिया। यकीन करें सर, आप बिलीव करेंगे, ये पूरा एक हफ्ता इस आर्टिकल पे लगाया।
ये आपकी अपनी एप्रीहेंशन हो सकती है, मेरी कतई तौर पे नहीं है। मैं मटेरियल भी देख रहा हूँ, आप लोगों को सुन भी रहा हूँ और खुश भी हो रहा हूँ कि आप लोगों ने रियली मेहनत की है।
यस सर, और सर अप्रिशिएट उन्होंने किया जो कि प्रेजेंट नहीं कर रहे, तो ये कोई बाहमी नहीं है।
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, दैट्स गुड।
ये प्रेजेंट करने से सर पहले अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए। अगर अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है तो प्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकेंगे। और क्वेश्चन तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं।
जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ क्या कहते हैं, एक जोक में कर रहा था, मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है।
नहीं सर, कोई issue नहीं।
थैंक यू जी।
आपका बहुत शुक्रिया।
वेलकम, यू आर वेलकम, रियली
Yes, sir.
अप्रिशिएटेड, वेल वर्क।
Sir, मैं agree हूँ जुबैर भाई की बात से। All the participants have spent more than 1 week on this assignment, and initially stage it was very difficult for all of us, but with the passage of time, we understand many concepts of it. And
Yeah,
after
that's-
this, I hope you will clear our ideas and our efforts where we are wrong
I
and
think
where
so,
we are
I
right.
think so
And
एफर्ट
all,
में
I am yes, sir.
एफर्ट करें तो फिर कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर होते हैं ना। तो मेरा मेजर मोटिव भी यही था कि मैं आपको एक सिचुएशन में डालूं और आप उसमें से खुद लर्न करें, बजाय इसके कि मैं भी ये सारे उसमें से करेक्ट्स निकाल के 5-7 स्लाइड में आपको कह सकता था कि ये आर्टिकल ये कहता है। तो उसका वो उतना अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी नहीं बननी थी और मुझे भी अंदाज़ा नहीं होना था। मुझे ये तो यकीन की हद तक एतमाद था कि आप सब बहुत नॉलेजेबल हैं, अच्छी स्कॉलरशिप है आपकी, आप बात भी कर सकते हैं और एफर्ट कर भी सकते हैं। लेकिन उसको प्रैक्टिकली मैंने डाला तो मुझे अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे हैं, दैट्स गुड। एंड लेट्स मूव अहेड टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटर, सोबिया अकरम, प्लीज कम ऑन।
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sobia Akram. My topic is political economy under the spotlight. Definition of political economy. Sir, next slide. Yes, sir. Definition of political economy. Economy is understood here as an area of inquiry and thought with roots in our market critique of classical economic and society in general. It focuses on and analyzes the relationship between individual and society. The relationship between individual and society is very close. The practices are important to know how act and interact with each other. Society does not exist independently without individual. Between the market and state, a market is the organization that coordinates the production and consumption of goods. In contrast, the state is an organization for monopolizing its power. How social institutions, their activities, and capital. The previous slide here.
कैरी ऑन, मैं साथ हूँ
जी.
प्रेजेंटेशन
How
पे।
social institutions, their activities, and capitalism interrelate. The effect of capitalism is that they're promoting culture of work, A particular level profit motive and competition is that encourage the capitalist market system. So next slide.
जी जी
Theoretical
बोलिए।
developments Theoretical developments, Bourdieu and Foucault discuss the interrelation between the individual and society, between the market and the state. They propose the notion ideas such as symbolic capital. Bourdieu conceptualization is grounded in theories of social reproduction and symbolic power. Bourdieu saw capital as a property of the individual rather than the collective. Symbolic capital in society and anthropology, symbolic capital can be referred to as the resources available to an individual and on the basis of honor and services as value that one holds within a culture. Legitimate language Legitimate language is our discourse. Bourdieu's perspective include being a legitimate speaker addressing under specific social condition in language that respect specific convention or form. Uh, Power. Power is the theory of Foucault. Foucault addressed the relationship between power and knowledge and how they are used as a form of social control through a societal institution. Power is based on knowledge and make use of knowledge. On other hand, power reproduce knowledge by shaping it. Power creates its own field of exercise through knowledge. Next slide, sir.
आप ना बोलें, मुझे याद है जब खत्म हो रही है मैं साथ साथ एक एक लफ्ज पढ़ रहा हूँ, सुन भी रहा हूँ। कैरी ऑन प्लीज, कैरी ऑन।
Yes, sir. According to Bourdieu and Foucault, the notions symbolic capital, language and field, legitimate language, culture, markets, and power conceptualized identity and discursive space. Discursive space is a representation of knowledge and can be interpreted as the system of acquiring this knowledge. This space is connected with the world of facts by a relationship which can be interpreted as a flow of knowledge. Sequoial have engaged with wider theories of language, identity, and power. Sequoial notion of ecological validity. This means that you cannot generalize your findings to real life, like plane crash situation. Generally speaking, when you conduct research in settings that are realistic, means they are done in a natural environment, your study has been high ecological validity. Ethnographically, um, and discourse-based research on educational institution, what get constructed as a good student. To be considered as a good student require having high marks in all academic subjects and also a good performance in moral education activities involving community services, physical exercise, etc. Apart from other traditions in linguistic and anthropological discipline, stretching the analytical scope in order to reach less explored line of study may be one way of pushing fertile institutional and international in the future. So
गुड
this is all from my side.
गुड, वेल डन, वेल डन,
Thank you, sir.
रियली अ गुड एफर्ट। तो अकॉर्डिंगली आप लोग करें कमेंट और क्वेश्चन भी करें, और बार बार एक ही बंदा ना करें ना, नए लोग भी बात करें। आयशा
जी
नेक्स्ट।
सलामुअलैकुम सर।
जी वालेकुम
सर मैं कमेंट भी थोड़ा सा कर दूं। अफीफा है नेक्स्ट, सबरी है, अफीफा शहजाद।
ओके
जी सर, कमेंट नहीं, आई वुड लाइक टू से द टफेस्ट, जब ना हमें भी मुझे ऐसे फील हुआ कि इसमें जो सबसे टफ टॉपिक था, सब टॉपिक वो यही था जो भी फोबिया रिप्रेजेंट किया. So
Very
I
good.
found it the most difficult one. So she collected very good data on it and she presented it very well.
Let's have a big round of applause for her. It's
Thank
very
Thank you,
nice.
Aisha. Thank you so much.
Okay, next is Afifa Shehzad.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you, Afifa?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good.
Sir, how are you?
Me too. जस्ट अ मिनट, मैं साथ साथ सेव भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये अपलोड भी कर दूंगा सबके लिए उस पे ना, आपके CMS पे ओरिजिनल स्लाइड्स भी और ये वीडियोस भी, ताकि सनद रहे कि आपने वाकई बहुत अच्छा काम किया था. जी अफीफा शहजाद, come on please.
Yes, sir.
Can
Today
you see?
our topic.
Can you see?
Yes,
see
sir.
your,
Yes, sir.
okay.
I can.
Okay.
Yes. As you all know that our topic has been identity of linguistics, language identity in linguistics and ethnography. So I'm given the topic of to summarize the whole topic. So as you all know, sir, Hanif has explained very well that what is ethnography. Ali, in fact, language ethnography has taken its origins from UK. The term Ali captures a growing body of researchers by scholars who combine linguistics and ethnography approaches to show social and communicative process operated in a range of settings and contexts. So Ali is characterized by specific ethnography and discourse-based analytical perspective. In this sense, we cannot say that culture should be taken as for granted, as we have to go something deep, and we can say that culture is a wide range, and the actors of a culture, who are the members of a society, they are supposed to enact and negotiate it in daily interactions. In fact, you can say that ethnography doesn't mean the stability, the something that cannot be changed. It is in fact changeable, and it is changed and negotiated and enacted on daily basis. And really, it talks about the present thing, what we are facing, what we are doing, what we are enacting. So next, please.
Yes.
So these notions, which are member of the any culture or any society takes, are negotiated and transformed by the social actors, as I have told you about the members of the any society, any specific culture. Early researchers of particular relevance to study of language and identity under contemporary conditions. That means that they are not concerned with the past or the future. They are really concerned with the things on contemporary basis, on the things which they are facing or they are doing. So we can say that mobility, instability, and uncertainty are linked at the center of the picture. Means they are the key terms, key things of ethnographic linguistics. So next, please.
Yes, I have done.
Yes, and it takes account of both intellectual shifts of attention and ongoing transformations in the real world. That means Ali is not concerned with assumptions. They are going to deal with day to day to the intellectual shifts of attention, and the ongoing transformations are also their concerned, and that means they are dealing with the real world. Influence of the researchers of UK and other origins on Ali, definitely, as you all know that Ali has come from UK, so it has also the impact influences from other parts of the world, and they are also from the anthropology and many other studies of area. So next please.
I am done, please. आप
ELI
देखिए.
is being shaped by researchers with interinstitutional and translational trajectories. That means they are, whatever they are dealing, it is on the core of the society, within the institutions, within our society, and on the given, they are not on the given pattern. Certain sociological constructs from the field of political economy can be better integrated analytically. So ELI approach apart from others in applied linguistics on the behalf of an analytical approach.
Is it all
So
from
this
you?
is all from my side.
Good.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Good attempt. Aisha, who is next? Let me know. Aisha.
जी सर है हुमैरा देन नईम नईमुर रहमान
Naimur Rahman and Hamera.
हुमैरा नईमुर रहमान है और
Walaikum Assalam. In the meantime, you can comment and say something on Afifa Shehzad.
Here, yes, sir. Other presenter, she also performed her best. I want to ask a question. If she explain what is terms of research.
What is aims of research?
In the terms of research, what is meant by mobility? MOBILIT, by mobility.
Mobility means they are dealing with the things which are changing, which are moving. They are not stable. They are not, you can say, in a stable condition. They transfer to persons to persons to from the generation to other generation, and it is the you can say core heart of ethnographic linguistics ethnography.
Yes, thank you so much. Sir, I asked.
Yes. आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं है, बताइए क्या कहना चाह रहे हो?
Comment on a presentation that actually
Your sound is not clear.
जी सर नेट का इशू है, चले
जी बोलने
फिर मैं नेक्स्ट जो है वो एक क्वेश्चन पूछता सर। वो एक प्रेजेंटर उन्होंने मॉडर्निटी के बारे में बात की थी, तो उन्होंने इसकी रेफर मॉडर्निटी टू एन एरा, तो उसके बारे से मैंने एक बात कहनी, जस्ट ऐड करना है, इट वाज ओनली एन एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन नॉट रिलेटेड टू मच अबाउट द रिसर्च। एक प्रोज राइटर है बर्नार्ड रसल, एंड द सेम एक पोइट है इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में वॉल विटमैन। So they refer the word modernity to an attitude and behavior.
Thank you.
That
next is Hamera.
Democratic. The both writers say either any type here.
Aksha, your voice is not very clear and there is much distortion. I think so. Sometime else you can express your views on modality. Hamera, you are invited in the class and please go ahead to start your presentation. Hamera.
नेट स्लो हो गया।
नेट स्लो हो गया। आयशा, ये नजर आ रही है इनकी प्रेजेंटेशन स्लाइड?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर जी आ रही है।
Sir, I want to add something, please.
Who is this?
Sir, Afifa Shehzad.
जी please.
Sir, in fact, it was my summary. I just tried to summarize it in very short time.
No problem. सबके पास इतना ही टाइम था, तो कोई इशू नहीं है, आपने अच्छा काम किया है। Hamera, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Please start. You have only 7 to 8 minutes, please.
Sure, sir. Assalamu alaikum to all of you, and the topic of my presentation is like the whole article I would like to present language and identity in linguistic ethnography. Sir Hanif has presented very well, and he has explained the topic very well, like language, what is language and what is identity, and in respect to linguistic ethnography. The previous one I have just started.
I am just taking a view of
Okay,
your
sir.
presentation, and that
Sure, sir.
is okay. You are here.
The term linguistic ethnography is originated in the UK, United Kingdom, and this term is basically originated from UK. And there are a lot of discussion on it, and the researcher who has discussed and introduced this research paper, he basically belongs to UK, and he has explained in the perspective of UK. Linguistic ethnography. What is linguistic ethnography? Linguistic ethnography aims to provide socio and applied linguistics with theoretical and methodological perspectives for studying situated practice vice versa, wider sociocultural process of change. Linguistic ethnography, as its title, we can understand that linguistic ethnography, not just ethnography, not just linguistic, but it is the mixture of two terms, linguistic ethnography. Linguistic ethnography is basically language. Linguistic is language we use in day-to-day communication, and ethnography is the scientific description of people and culture with their customs, habits, their mutual differences.
Very
And
good.
linguistic ethnography, sir, the previous one introduction
I think
slide.
so. I
I'm
think
not
so.
done.
You should come here.
Sure, sir.
Ji,
Overview
please.
of linguistic ethnography. The researcher has taken two key issues, and he has discussed upon that two issues. That is, the one issue is the applied linguistics drawing on LE for the study of language and identity is to identify the basic key issue is to identify the ontological and epistemological basis of the theoretical and methodological development. And the other one is to accommodate research of language and identity to the above mentioned new intellectual climate of late modernity. The two perspectives which researcher has explained, the one is the epistemological and ontological and epistemological perspective, and the second one is late modernity. And I think that these 2 points are the core points of this research article. Ontologies and epistemologies. What is an ontology? I would like to explain that that is showing the relation between the concepts and categories in the subject area or domain. And the subject area and domain is the language and identity in linguistic ethnography. Linguistic ethnography is basically the domain of this article, and the epistemology is the theory of knowledge. Means the knowledge we have, means the language knowledge which we have, and the language which we are using, and the language which we are talking about is the epistemology.
Good.
The ethnographic perspectives, meaning takes shapes within specific social relation, interactional histories, and institutional regions produced and constructed by agents with expectations and repertoire that have to be grasped ethnographically. I would like to explain the term repertoire. There are two terms, linguistic repertoire and language repertoire, and the second one is repertoire. Repertoire is basically a stock of skills or types of behaviors that a person habitually uses, means the skills which a person have. But the linguistic repertoire is that the language knowledge which a person has while he is communicating. And the analysis of internal organization of verbal data is essential to understand its significance and position in the world. If means the verbal data which we have needs to be accomplished and accompanied by the people. Like if we are talking about English language, and it has a scope in the world, and we said that that is international language. And if we talk about our language like Urdu language and the other language like Punjabi language, that don't have as much widespread, but it exists in the means the Pakistan, and it familiarized with some particular people. The the language which we are talking about, the writers want to say that it should have the means the identity of it, and language and identity in late modernity. Late modernity is the era in which we are living, and means the writer has discussed upon language and identity so far. And earlier there are a lot of discussion upon it, and language and identities. And in the previous time and in the last era, there were people who considered that if we are living in a one state, there should be there must be one culture and one language, and they have the specific discourse for means to have, and they were talking about that particular discourse. But nowadays we are living, even though we are living in a Pakistan, and we are multilingual, and we have different language, and even if I talk about myself, I know English language, I know Urdu language, even though I know Punjabi language, and I am a
Very good.
multilingual person.
Very
And
good. Very good. टाइम ना ये सेशन खत्म होने में टाइम थोड़ा रह रहा है, आप इसको करें, कंक्लूड कर दें हैं. यू आर गोइंग वेरी फाइन, इट्स योर वेरी गुड एफर्ट. आप जस्ट कंक्लूड करें, 1-1.5 मिनट आपके पास है.
Sure, sir. There were a lot of topics, like I have discussed the introduction to logics and epistemologies, language identity in the late modernity, linguistic ethnography versus linguistic anthropology. The writer has explained and differentiated the linguistic ethnography and the linguistic anthropology. And he says that the ethnography is the scientific description of people and culture with their customs, habits, and mutual differences, while on the other hand, anthropology is the study of humans and human behavior and societies and the past and present. And he has discussed the past and present as well. And he has said that in the previous past, there was the concept, and they considered that the one state, one culture, and one language. But nowadays, people are try to be multilingual, and they are in we can say they have the curiosity that they want to be the multilingual, and they want explore that they want to explore different languages. And the political economy under the spotlight, and these all points explain the linguistic ethnography and its widespread and its history.
Good, very good. Well done, Humaira. Well
And
done.
there were notions about there were notions about Foucault,
Aisha,
Bourdieu,
1 minute.
and
Just a minute. Just a minute. Aisha, who is the next one? Naimur Rahman.
सर नहीं भी है और मैंने भी करनी है, तो I can do it if you want me.
अच्छा, आप हैं, नईम हैं, और कौन है?
सर मैं हूं.
तबस्सुम है.
तबस्सुम.
सर मैं कर दूं.
चलें, टर्न बाय टर्न कर लें. तबस्सुम कर ले, नईम है और आयशा है, 3 लोग हैं. ठीक है, तो अभी तो ये क्लोज हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट सेशन में मैं इसको सेव कर रहा हूँ, तो 1 मिनट में आप कमेंट करें हमारा पे. बहुत अच्छा इसने प्रेजेंट किया.
जी, she did it very well on her concepts are very much clear.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to add a comment, if you allow me.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Sir, basically appreciation for the efforts of Miss Humaira. Sir, as all the participants presented different articles, and no doubt they present very well. But Miss Humaira summarized the whole topic in very well manner and made it much easier to understand the basic concept and core points of articles. So very well done, Miss Humaira. I really appreciate.
So nice of you.
Good.
Thank
Really
you.
appreciate it.
Sir, here may I also comment, sir?
Sure.
Sir, actually, I believe that this is the most comprehensive presentation, in that it covers the whole of topic, and the whole of article is summarized in this presentation. This perspective, this has been, the presentation of utmost importance so far.
Very good. Again, I am very happy. I am very happy to listen all of you, that you have you are broad-minded, and with a big heart you are appreciating your fellows. It's a very